everyone. I have some dings in my veneer. I have never done this before, so let's try together how to iron them out. So apparently you're supposed to take a damp towel, place that over, and then put your iron. I'm using medium heat because I'm scared, so let's go. I have no idea how long to keep this on. I've watched a bunch of videos, but just generally feeling very unsure about it. So let's give it a go, and if that doesn't work, I might try just on high heat. Oh wow, that is actually coming out. I'm both amazed and shocked. Okay, that's not too bad. That's actually quite good. That came out really nicely. So I guess we have learned something together today.